If you're heading to Cappadocia, you cannot miss Uchisar Castle, also known as Cappadocia's Castle. I think it's one of the most unique structures I've ever seen. In this video, I'll show you how to get there from Goreme, whether it be bus or walking there through Pigeon Valley, plus ticket prices and what to expect. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, we visited Uchisar Castle in Cappadocia, and honestly, it was one of the coolest places we saw during our trip. It's very close to the main town of Göreme, which is where most people stay because of the cave hotels. We took a public bus which cost about 35 lira and was roughly 10 minutes. From where the bus drops you off, it's about a 10-minute straight walk to the castle entrance. And you can buy the tickets at the entrance, no pre-booking needed. You can explore the castle on your own and the pathways are really wide, which is great if you're a bit claustrophobic or not interested in visiting the underground cities. The stairs and the pathways are really well maintained so you don't have to worry about tripping, and it made it really easy to explore all the cave rooms. It was such a unique and surreal sight to see. You're free to walk around at your own pace, and I loved being able to take my time to wonder and take it all in. Climbing to the top of the castle, you'll get some of the best views of Cappadocia. And of course, I had to get my drone out, and I'm so glad I did because this castle from every angle is truly breathtaking. You can head back into town with the bus, but walking back through Pigeon Valley is the way we did it, and I would recommend it too. Keep heading down from the castle, and you'll eventually hit the entrance of Pigeon Valley. And it heads straight back into the town Goreme. You'll know you're on the right trail when you see this sign. I won't try and pronounce that, but this is what the locals call Pigeon Valley. I honestly can't describe how beautiful this landscape is. Photos and videos just don't do it justice. It took us over an hour to walk back, but it can definitely take longer if you do it at a slower pace. The trail isn't very difficult, but there is a few slippery spots, so I definitely recommend wearing good shoes. The valley gets its name for all the pigeon houses carved into the cliffs, and it was such a great experience spotting them along the way. I honestly wish we took it a little bit slower because it was one of the most scenic routes I've ever walked. This valley had the perfect mix of history and nature with a little bit of adventure. And in no time, you'll be back right in the center of Goreme. If you only have time to do one hike in Cappadocia, I would definitely recommend Pigeon Valley through to Cappadocia Castle. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience and found this helpful when planning your trip to Cappadocia. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.